If you're considering SolarWinds Service Desk for your help desk needs, there are a few things you should know before making the final decision. In this video, we'll break down 12 essential points you need to understand about this tool and how it compares to other options available. First thing, SolarWinds Service Desk is known for its comprehensive ticketing system. It makes tracking customer requests simple, but it's not the only software that does this. Tools like Freshdesk and Zendesk also offer solid ticket management, but SolarWinds stands out with its built-in automation to assign tickets based on priority and urgency, which saves a lot of manual effort. Next thing, it offers powerful reporting features. You can generate customized reports to keep track of your help desk performance. Compared to others like Zoho Desk, SolarWinds is often praised for its detailed analytics. However, it's worth noting that its reporting dashboard can feel a bit overwhelming for users just starting out, whereas some other platforms offer simpler, more intuitive interfaces. The third thing you should know is about the user interface. SolarWinds Service Desk has a clean, organized layout, but it might not feel as modern as some of its competitors. Tools like Zendesk and Freshdesk have more polished, user-friendly designs, which can make navigation easier for teams new to help desk software. The fourth thing is the knowledge base. SolarWinds offers a self-service portal where customers can find solutions on their own, but when compared to options like Freshdesk, its knowledge base isn't as customizable or robust. Freshdesk allows deeper customization, letting you tailor the experience more to your brand. The fifth thing to consider is its pricing. SolarWinds offers a competitive price point, especially when compared to tools like ServiceNow, which tend to be more expensive. However, it's important to consider whether the features included in each plan align with what your business actually needs. Next thing, SolarWinds Service Desk includes integration with various third-party applications, including Google Workspace, Slack, and others. While it's good in this area, tools like Zendesk often provide more out-of-the-box integrations, which could make onboarding easier if you're using a lot of different software tools. The seventh thing, automation. SolarWinds shines here with its automation capabilities, such as automatic ticket routing and escalation, reducing response times. Competitors like Freshservice also have similar automation tools, but SolarWinds workflow automation tends to be more customizable, giving you more control. The eighth thing is about customer support. SolarWinds offers 24/7 support via phone and email. However, some users report slower response times compared to other services like Zendesk, which is known for its efficient customer service and faster response rates. The ninth thing, scalability. SolarWinds is quite scalable, making it a good option for growing businesses, especially if you're planning to expand your operations. This is where SolarWinds stands strong, while some competitors may require you to upgrade to more expensive plans as your team grows. Next, let's talk about security. SolarWinds includes several built-in security features, including role-based access control and data encryption. While these are solid features, tools like ServiceNow and Zendesk may offer more robust security options for larger enterprises. The 11th thing, the platform's ability to manage IT assets. SolarWinds allows you to track assets and software within the system, which is helpful for IT teams. However, for more in-depth IT asset management, tools like ManageEngine Service Desk Plus might be a better choice. Finally, the integrations with ITIL processes. SolarWinds Service Desk is ITIL aligned, providing functionalities that align with the framework's best practices. However, for advanced ITIL features, ServiceNow remains the go-to option, but SolarWinds can serve smaller businesses that are just getting started with ITIL. In conclusion, SolarWinds Service Desk is a solid choice with its ticketing, automation, and reporting features. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly interface or more advanced integrations, there are other options worth exploring. If you're looking for something better, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.